Hello guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you I can service reset Nissan Qashqai. It's a 2011 model. I have a video of a different kind of a Nissan Qashqai. That was a 2014 model. This is slightly older. The menu on the dashboard is a bit different, so that's why I'm making a new video for resetting the oil surface. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. If you don't like my videos, let me know why you don't like my videos, so I can improve my videos to help each other. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. All the light must be on. Then you have two buttons over here. We're gonna use the right one and press it till once you reach settings area. This is it, settings. Once you reach that, press and hold. Then you'll get the sub menu over here, and the trick is to turn this to go through the menu, and we're gonna go to maintenance like this. Press it, surface, press again, and once you are here, press it and then go back. Other surfaces is like this. Press it, reset, and once you hit reset, press it once, and then this goes to zero. So it starts counting with 0 for the next 15,000, and when it reaches 15,000 you'll get a signal. To go back is scroll to back, press it, scroll back to back, press it, exit this menu, back, and once you hit this, then you get to the main menu again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.